Hi everyone, welcome to WhyBuy. Today I'm going to be sharing with you Rockler's Finishing Paint Sprayer. This paint sprayer can spray anything from lacquer to latex. Whether you're working on a project for yourself or doing something for a paying patron, this is something that's going to take your business and your projects to the next level. When I looked around for a paint sprayer, because I obviously shopped around for a few different ones before I settled on this one, when it comes to price point, it's very affordable, by far one over all the others, and it is also something that creates a very professional and finished look. It's very, very nice. This is the 2-stage 700 watt turbine that comes with the Rockler sprayer. It comes with a 13-foot air hose. The air hose being that long is very helpful, which makes it great for working around my projects. It comes with a 32 fluid ounce paint cup. The selection I chose came with the extra cup and the paint lid, and I'll be honest, this comes in very handy just in case I have to stop between coats. This gives me a chance to cover and preserve my paint in between those stages. This is the sprayer portion, the handle. This is very comfortable. Of course, you do attach it to the paint cup, which provides a little bit of extra weight, but it's nothing like having to tote around the turbine as well, the air source. Here is the very easy to use adjustable, or adjustment I should say, that allows me to either spray out more paint or less paint. These right here are my options to spray vertical, horizontal, and then the little dot in the middle makes it great for narrow trim pieces or thin chair legs, whatever it might be. In the front here you can see the air source, and you can also see the 1.5 millimeter needle. I also here on this side have a 2.5 millimeter needle, which is great when I'm applying thin coats or even a seal to my finished project. I purchased this product online. Rockler is found all across the U.S. In fact, they're in 30 different states. The closest one to me in South Florida is actually Orlando. I've been in their store. I could get lost in their store. They have so many neat gadgets and great tools for whatever you might be working on. So I recommend using their online service as well as popping into a store if one is close and convenient for you. This paint sprayer, no, it doesn't create magic, but it is of course fabulous to use. Something that makes my job so much easier. The chairs obviously finish so smoothly. I wish you guys could feel them. In about 40 minutes I was able to paint all 3 chairs and wash the sprayer out. I hope you've enjoyed. If you find it helpful, go ahead and like and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching.